Hi, it's Bill with the Home Premier team bringing you some great news about the Lehigh Valley. At the beginning of September, the National Association of Realtors ranked the Lehigh Valley as number 12 on the nation's hottest zip codes to live in 2021, specifically the 18018 zip code. It encompasses the area straddling the Lehigh Valley and Northampton counties, home of Moravian University, Bethlehem Historic District, Still Stacks, and the Lehigh Valley Health Network's Muhlenburg campus. It's no wonder that this area has been ranked so high on the list compared to Colorado Springs, which came in at number 1. Another thing that gives the Lehigh Valley such a high ranking is the endless amount of fairs and festivals, like Music Fest, Kris Kringle Mart, and so much more. The vice president of the Lehigh Valley Economic Development Corporation said that the report only reinforces the valley's reputation as a desirable place to live with a competitive housing market. According to the U.S. Census, the Lehigh Valley is listed as Pennsylvania's fastest growing region, owing much of its growth on migration and a bustling economy. What do you think? Do you love the valley and agree about this ranking? Let us know in the comments and be sure to tune in next time. Thanks for watching.